Drinking water is healthy, but there is a time that when you drink excess water, it can actually affect your digestion badly. Now, let me explain. Water is actually very healthy. You hear me on this speech talk about it a lot of time, but there is a time where you get to drink water in excess. It affects your metabolism, it will affect your digestion, like it will make things worse instead of making it better. This particular time I am talking about is immediately after eating a large meal and you are drinking water. Of course, it's going to slow down metabolism. This is because digestion requires your stomach enzymes, acids, to digest the food, to break down the food. So if you drink excess water immediately after eating that large meal, it would dilute those acids, those enzymes that is supposed to help digest your meals. So what do? Because I am not saying this so that you completely stop drinking water after eating. What I mean is, at that point of eating a very large meal, don't just juggle one glass of water at a go. Small sips is fine. It's okay. Just be taking it little by little. Don't just, take a whole bottle of water and you are drinking it at once. It will slow down your metabolism. But here is a better option. Drink water regularly within the day, not just when you are thirsty, right? Drink water regularly. Instead of waiting till when you eat, after eating, you then juggle, take a whole bottle of water. Take it regularly within the day. It will aid you not to even take so much water after eating. Remember, healthy habits are not just about what you eat, but also how you eat them. So follow this page for more practical nutrition tips. On this platform we make it easier. See you in my next one.